Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you butter chicken recipe. I have already butter chicken recipe in my channel, but today I am going to share with you little different. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications. Here I have taken 3 pieces of chicken breast. I have washed and cut into medium sizes. I am going to marinate the chicken first with 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix them very well. Okay, rest them for 30 minutes. I'll be back. After 30 minutes, here I am with marinated chicken. Let's heat up the pan. Keep it on medium heat. I am adding about 1 tablespoon olive oil. Once oil is hot, fry the chicken pieces both sides. But do not fry too long, otherwise they can be rubbery. I will fry them in 3 batches. Now flip them on other side. One batch is done. Let me take them out. Let me finish 2 more batches. Our fried chicken is ready. Let's make the masala. In the same pan, I am not adding more oil or butter because we have enough oil in the pan. Here I have taken 1 large size roughly chopped red onion. We will half fry all the spices, but make sure it is on medium. Half tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon garlic paste. We have already marinated the chicken with ginger, garlic, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. So do not add too much all the spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt. We have already marinated the chicken with salt. Add very little water to saute the masala. 1 bigger size roughly chopped tomato, 1/4 cup broken cashew nut. I am adding very little mace, but it's optional, and pinch of nutmeg powder. If you don't have mace and nutmeg powder, you can skip it. But add very little because they have strong flavor. Now mix it very well. Add 2 cups of water. Okay, cover it with lid and let it cook on high heat for 10 minutes. Then they will become nice and soft. It's been 10 minutes. Switch off the flame and let it cool completely. It has cooled completely. Now I will grind it to make a smooth paste. Our masala paste is ready. I made it in 2 batches. Now we have to strain it. We'll add some water in the blending jar. And pour this water into the masala. Now we'll strain it. It has some masala, so we need some more water. Our masala is ready. So let's make the gravy. Heat up the pan. Keep it on medium heat. I am adding half tablespoon butter. See, this is butter chicken, so you can add more butter if you want. But today I am making it little healthier. Now pour the puree into the pan. I have added very little water because you don't want to waste the puree. Before adding the fried chicken, let me check the gravy if it is salty. Yes, perfect. We don't need more salt. Now add fried chicken. Mix it. I am adding half tablespoon tomato sauce, half tablespoon honey, half teaspoon garam masala powder, and half teaspoon crushed kasuri methi. Now mix it very well. And half tablespoon fresh cream. Do not cover it, just cook it for 5 minutes only on medium to low heat. It should be silky and smooth texture. It's been 5 minutes. Butter chicken is ready now. Switch off the flame and let's dish out. Now garnish with fresh cream. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.